Hi, this is the real Elle. I am using Sunny Isle Chebe Line. I've been using Jamaican black castor oil for some time. I'm super excited to use this line because Chebe powder has been around and I wanted to use this product because of its benefits. So here I am showing you the Chebe powder, and I am creating a mixture using I am using a Chebe powder, and I am mixing it with rapeseed oil, and I'm going to apply this to my hair. So right now I am making this mixture up and I'm smelling it. It smells like tea. It's not a bad smell or a scent. And I am showing you how I mixed it up. Now I'm applying it to my hair. I am detangling my hair as I'm applying it because my hair just was recently taken out of its protective style. So I'm going to detangle my hair and apply this oil gently, and stay tuned. The texture of the Shea powder mixture, it is rocky. It does have the remnants of the Shea powder. You do see the ingredients, which is a plus. You want to see your ingredients in your hair products. That's to let you know that it is natural. So I've done my research on Shea powder. It is said that it's been used in Africa, Chad to be specific, the motherland. It is a mixture of different herbs. The herbs include Shea, plantain cloves, samoa reason, cherry seeds, musk, eberet, and prunus mayahab. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing any words. I'm trying my best. So here I am still applying the mixture. So I am braiding my hair after I apply the mixture so that I can let those ingredients marinate in my scalp, because shaving powder is used to retain moisture, which is a plus. You want to retain moisture in your hair because you don't want dry hair, because dry hair leads to split ends and breakage. And this oil is said to promote hair growth. So you want to apply this all on the hair shaft. You don't want to apply this to your scalp. I am making sure that I get all of my hair shaft all the way down to the tip ends of my hair, because I want my hair to receive as maximum results and maximum product as possible. So I want to make sure that it's all marinated and saturated in my hair. So now that I completed applying the Chebe Powder mixture, I'm going to leave this on for 2 hours so that it can be saturated in my scalp. And you do want to wash this out fully, completely. So as I said before, the mixture is grainy, so you see the actual Chebe Powder in my scalp. Here in this clip, I am applying the Chebe Powder butter, which is a very smooth, soft butter, and it feels so amazing on my scalp. I would not lie to you. I'm telling you, this stuff feels so great. Like, you can feel the moisture being applied to your scalp. Actually, it feels so great. I do recommend this line. It is a 10 out of 10. I feel a difference so far. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in.